Hey guys, welcome back to English to Flow. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. Hello, everyone.
Welcome to episode 2 of our 100 video English speaking series.
Step-by-step English learning.
Slow and easy.
No pressure.
In episode 1, we talked about fear of English.
And today, we will learn daily use English words,
Very small words.
but very powerful.
Guys, native speakers use these words every day.
Again and again.
So if you learn these words,
Your English will sound more natural.
today's words are yes, no, okay, maybe, really, sure, wait, listen, come, go.
Super easy words.
But very important.
Yes.
First word, yes,
Yes means agreement.
or positive answer.
Example. Do you like tea?
Yes. Another example. Are you learning English?
Yes, I am.
Guys, repeat slowly. Yes.
Again. Yes. Next word. No.
Opposite of yes.
Example. Do you like waking up early?
No.
Honest answer.
Another example. Are you a doctor?
No, I am not.
Repeat slowly. No.
Again. No. Next word. Okay.
Very famous English word.
You can use it everywhere.
Literally everywhere.
Example. Can we start?
Okay. Another example. Meet me tomorrow.
Okay, sure. Sometimes people say, okay.
Extra drama version.
Repeat slowly. Okay. Next word, maybe.
Maybe means not sure.
Half yes, half no.
Confused English.
Example. Will you come tomorrow?
Maybe. Another example. Do you like spicy food?
Maybe a little.
Repeat slowly. Maybe. Next word. Really.
Very useful word.
People use it during surprise.
Or interest. Example. I can speak 3 languages.
Really? Another example. This food is really good.
Means very good.
Repeat slowly. Really. Next word. Sure.
Sure means yes or no problem.
Example. Can you help me?
Sure.
Another example. Can I sit here?
Sure.
Easy word.
Very friendly word.
Repeat slowly. Sure. Next word. Wait.
Dangerous word during arguments.
Very dangerous. Wait means stop for some time.
Example. Wait for me.
Another example. Wait a minute. James' life story. Wait. I forgot my wallet.
Classic problem.
Repeat slowly. Wait. Next word. Listen.
Listen means hear carefully.
Example. Please listen to me.
Example. Listen carefully.
Teachers love this word.
Very true.
Repeat slowly. Listen. Next word. Come.
Come means move here.
Example. Come here. Another example. Come with me.
Very useful daily word.
Super useful.
Repeat slowly. Come. Last word. Go.
Opposite of come.
Example. Go home.
Another example. Go slowly. My favorite sentence. Go to sleep.
Especially at 3 a.m.
Repeat slowly. Go.
Guys, now let's practice a mini conversation using all words.
Easy conversation time.
Emma, listen.
Yes?
Come here.
Okay.
Will you go outside tomorrow?
Maybe.
Really?
Yes.
Sure?
Wait. Maybe not.
Okay.
See?
Small words create full conversations.
This is how English grows slowly.
Guys, don't ignore simple words.
Simple words are the foundation of English.
Big buildings need strong foundations.
Same with fluency.
Practice these words daily.
Use them in real life.
Even 1-minute practice helps.
And remember, don't fear mistakes. Speak slowly. Use simple English first.
Fluency comes step by step.
In episode 3,
We will learn how to introduce yourself in English,
very important topic.
so don't miss it.
Homework time.
Yes. Comment below using one new English word from today's lesson.
Example. Okay, I am learning English.
Keep practicing daily.
Keep improving slowly.
Keep learning with English to flow.
Your English is growing already.
Bye, guys.
Bye.